Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. In this video, I will show you that how to design a fire bloom design with animation effect. Hereby you can see I have just copied some particular texture for absolute size of the fire block. So here you can see the 4 block has designed to animate this fire, but you can't imagine in the normal eyes. But if you look very concentration with the concentration, you can see the big one is the center position and the two different is the side, and another small block is just floating over the tree. So the 4 block has designed, it's called under the class of span, like neon span. So hereby I have just used a neon fire blockage and designing this. Hereby you can see just I am trying to set the opacity because of the shadow control system. When you use any kinds of block text or any kinds of images, you can choose the opacity for the shadow effect. So hereby you can see I'm just changing the color for this portion, and I'm trying to use some more creative gradient for this texture and just searching out the gradient CSS. So if you want to choose any kinds of color combination, you can select and choose the direct code from the gradient CSS this site, and this is called the css gradient.io. So hereby you can choose, and I have just choose the color. Here we can see inside the screen. Yeah, so this is the color gradient, sorry, linear gradient I have chosen, and now it will affect on the blockage. So now you can see the gradient effect on the, so this effect has come on the neon fire block. Here you can see the corner. So from here the code will starting. So this is just a designing purpose. I have used some texture or some code for your understanding purpose, otherwise it has almost completed before this scene. So I have just add a new effect for this animation. So let's go forward with the main code. So hereby you can see I am just changing the color, that I want to give the looks different with the different color. Like here the fire color is like orange and red based color, but I am trying to change it greenish with the bluish effect, green blue and the bluish effect. So these three combination will give us more effectiveness, and you can see after the result where I have just changed. So here you can see I have just changed the bluish color. It's a native blue color rather than the orange and red color, and just changing it and trying to give some information, more information about the detailing and about for the result of the outcome. So hereby you can see it's really very difficult to change the color, because here the four block has designed and four block has the same color and I'm just matching with each other. So after the combination and effect, so it's come out a good result, and hereby you can see I'm just fasting the video because of the size, so that you can understand it quickly. So it's, you can see the it's changing differently and slowly, and hereby I have just choose the outcome. Here you can observe that I want to make. So from the red, orange and orange color, it convert to the yellow, green and bluish color after all. So after changing all the colors, so hereby you can see I am just scrolling the code once again for the outcome and the ready code. Here you can see first come to the neon and then neon span, and hereby I have used the gradient as I have told you first. So now here you can see the ms transformation and translation, what is the purpose and use of the ms translation and the translation. So hereby you can see the keyframes dedicate the animation, that which angles and what the attribute you want to use, how many opacity and how many shadow effect you want to use. It's almost comes under the keyframe glows, and at the rate keyframe glows is the main functionalities which is used inside the css platform for the animation purpose. So after the things, here you can see the fire center and the main fire, which is the final block, and the fourth small block which is just floating over the three different block. And now you can see here the fire right and fire left. So the three block is designed under this scaling. Hereby you can see every time the scaling is different because of the size. And the fire left, now come to the fire left, means the left side block, and the main fire means the central block which is used inside the fire animation. So after all of the things, the outcome is look like this. So thanks for watching my video and welcome to my channel again, and please wait for my next video and give you some best knowledge about the coding and the animation.